learn how to create a basic UltraFrame structure. UltraFrame is offered in 3 standard heights: 80 inches, 62 inches, and 48 inches high. Each height offers the same standard widths. Let's plan with 80-inch high frames. As mentioned in the intro, CET Extension is catalog-based. You must select the symbol for the desired height and width product. You can hover over the icon to see a description. Connectors are manually placed. Each adjoining frame requires a panel connector for a side-to-side application. We offer 2-way, 3-way, and 4-way connectors as well. Just like other systems' furniture logic, the connector height must match the frame height. There are variable height connectors for any change of height applications. The end connectors finish off the end of the run for aesthetic purposes. Here you can see a 80-inch height L-shape application using panel connectors and one 2-way connector. The next item to place would be the supports. We offer a variety of supports depending on the application. Here we are using our Ultra legs, which is intended to be paired with our B supports. The Ultra legs, like the UltraFrame, is offered in glides or casters. Be sure to select the appropriate style Ultra leg for the intended surface depth, height, and fixed or mobile application. Cantilevers are being placed where there will be a seam in surfaces and still provide the user with knee space. There are systems and lab cantilevers, as well as systems versus lab module throughout the product line. In this application, we will use systems module because we are not planning with any lab case goods nor any lab legs. Stability guideline for UltraFrame is to not exceed 10 feet without a to-the-floor support. Next, you will see the system's B supports being placed. These are handed items. B supports are used with Ultra legs and provide manual height adjustability for the surfaces. There are multiple snapping points for this reason. Be sure you are using the correct depth and style B support for the placed Ultra leg and intended surface. Now place your surface. We offer many surface materials and sizes. Here a corner surface is being placed, which includes the corner support bracket. You can see that in this application, the surface is aligned to the frame module. Because the UltraFrame vertical hanger track allows for components to be placed in 1-inch increments, you can see that the cantilevers and other components will snap in many locations. We have now successfully drawn a stabilized UltraFrame application with surfaces. Next, you are free to add any extra components which must align to the frame widths. Components can be installed in 1-inch increments. At any point, you can select the finishes in the standard green options box. Our alternate paint finishes do have an upcharge or paint fee. Be sure to reach out to Symbiote with any questions or to verify. This application can be considered complete. Please see other training modules specific to power. UltraFrame is also available on casters. Let's see how that looks. The frames have the drop-down option for casters or glides. The Ultra legs have to be placed as separate graphics from the catalog for casters or glides. Be sure that the frames and legs have corresponding styles. For example, if the frames are on glides, the legs must also be on glides. When planning for casters, you must use the joiner plates. The joiner plates provide additional rigidity to the frames as they are mobile. To learn how to add power, data, or utilities, please watch the separate training modules.